Hello guys, I recently received a question regarding how to replace the light bulb on a Pontiac Grand Prix 04208. With the battery being where it is, it's practically impossible to put your hand in there, and even if there was no battery there, the hole is so small you cannot put your hands or your arms in that hole to reach the bulb. But there is a very easy way to replace a light bulb, and I will show you right now, so let's watch it. To replace the bulb, you need to remove the full assembly because you don't have space between the headlight and the frame. The hole in the frame is not just big enough to reach both bulb. So I will show you how to remove the assembly so you can replace your bulb by yourself and not paying extra money to the mechanic. So to remove the headlight assembly, this is on the driver's side, but it's the same for both sides. You only have one bolt to remove, and it is this one. So you don't need to remove the top of the bumper like other models like the G6, and you don't need to remove that because this is holding the whole plastic mount. But only this bolt is holding the headlight assembly. So let's remove it. It's usually not very tight as well because there's no much rust building on this bolt. It's hidden from the weather. So after that, you need to lift this piece of metal and pull gently on the light. Should come just like that. So at this point, if you just want to remove or to replace the bulb or the lights, you just turn counterclockwise until it's get out. The wire are pretty tight here, and you have your bulb. But in my case, they're still good, so I will let this in. And when you do that, it's very important to not let any dust or anything get inside, because you cannot clean inside unless you completely disassemble the full unit, which is a way bigger job. So you don't want to let anything get inside those holes, especially if your job was just, or your purpose was just to replace the bulb. Be careful to let nothing get inside that. So to put back the headlight assembly in its place, it's very easy. You have 4 pins on the headlight assembly and you have 4 holes in the plastic frame. You just need to align everything, push firmly, and as soon as everything is perfectly sitting, you push down the bracket and you put back your bolt, and that's all. But don't forget to connect the headlight unit or the headlight assembly if you did disconnect it, because you will not have any lights at all. I hope it's helped, guys. So on this, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.